You probably know several people who wish to transform part or all of their lives. Maybe you yourself are in that situation right now. However, people often do not assess the true cost of achieving such transformation. Change is challenging for any individual, as it requires abandoning comfort. Even if the change represents something beneficial, it will still be challenging. The truth is that if you truly want to alter what you have in life, you must change who you are and what you do. Incorporate these 12 habits into your life, and sooner or later, they will lead you to success. But before we continue, if you're enjoying our content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This helps us immensely and motivates us to bring more interesting videos to you. And to make sure you don't miss any updates, activate the notification bell to receive alerts whenever a new video is published. We appreciate your support and for being part of our community. Above all, stop avoiding them. If you don't observe these 12 habits of successful people and start practicing them now, you risk staying in poverty throughout your life. As mentioned earlier, sometimes change is very difficult because it involves stepping out of your comfort zone and facing discomfort. For example, if you are overweight and want to be healthy, you need to stop consuming certain foods and start exercising. This is much easier said than done. Consuming healthy foods is mentally and physically challenging. Exercise is associated with real pain, and often it is much easier to maintain your routine than to change it. Before adopting the success habits, we want to highlight something important. In this video, it is crucial that you are aware of your situation and redefine 3 traits that we are sure you possess in your personality. Redefine yourself. If you are someone who watches television every night, this can become part of who you are. You might not realize it, but your habits start to become not only something you do, but also a part of your identity. Therefore, when you try to transform yourself, your subconscious might resist, and your mind might rebel against the idea of changing something that is already integrated into your routine. It is essential to consider that, to regain control of your identity, you must consciously choose who you want to become, rather than allowing your subconscious to decide for you. For example, instead of spending hours watching television every night, you should redefine yourself as someone who studies and learns about money and investments. By making this conscious change in your identity, you win half the battle for transformation. Additionally, evaluate your friendships. Another aspect that can be rewarding is your social relationships. Although it may sometimes seem repetitive to say birds of a feather flock together, it is quite true. If you are struggling to achieve the desired change, assess your friendships and seek to surround yourself with people who support your goals and transformations. Make sure to evaluate your friends. Are they encouraging you to evolve, or are they pulling you back into old habits? If the answer is the latter, it's time to move on and find new friends who can motivate you to reach the next level. Don't maintain friendships with people who might demotivate you. Reconfigure your routine. Once you have transformed your identity and relationships, you will clearly need to establish new practices that lead to success. In other words, if you want to be healthier, you need to adopt a diet and exercise regularly, not just talk about it. This will require some financial investment to join a gym and hire a personal trainer, but the reward of good health will encourage you to continue investing in your well-being. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you must understand how money works and start investing. This might require finding a partner who can learn to invest alongside you to keep you accountable, as well as a mentor. The challenge lies in how you manage your time and resources. Once you have redefined these aspects of your personality, you can adopt the 12 habits of successful people that you may be avoiding without realizing it. Habit 1. Successful people visualize their triumphs. The way we think is often the reason we do not achieve the success we desire. Successful people use positive visualizations to ensure that nothing and no one diverts them from their path to success. Spend 10 to 15 minutes every day imagining yourself achieving your goals, thinking about how you will feel when you accomplish them, and enjoying the experience. This can be done in the morning, at night, before bed, or while lying in bed. Remember that this exercise should be done in a calm and quiet place. Close your eyes to make the process even more effective and visualize yourself reaching that dream you have always wanted to achieve. This way, your brain will become accustomed to having more positive thoughts. No matter the mental obstacles that might hinder you from achieving your goals, successful individuals often use inspiring mantras, powerful phrases that, when employed, provide the energy and motivation needed to persist and advance with their plans. Many accomplished people, like Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, and Will Ferrell, use daily mantras that inspire them to reach success. This is one of the secrets to success that you should also incorporate into your routine. The first step to creating your own mantra is to find something that truly motivates you. Look for a phrase that, whenever you read or repeat it, makes you feel unstoppable. Once you find a special mantra for yourself, start repeating it every day, as many times as you feel necessary, whether in the morning, afternoon, or evening. You'll notice that you'll feel more optimistic and focused on your goals. You can choose to use a single phrase or several, saying them out loud to yourself. Another crucial habit of successful people is learning to let go of what doesn't add value. This includes anything that doesn't contribute to progress, such as biases, unnecessary objects, papers, old phones, clothes, and more. Keeping toxic people around for too long or perpetuating harmful habits should also be avoided. Make a list of everything you'd like to leave behind and rid yourself of these things, like useless items, clothing that ties you to the past, and people who have only caused you suffering. You'll see how your life will change quickly and how you'll feel lighter by not carrying that unnecessary weight. Another habit of successful people is thinking big. When you think big, you tend to achieve big things, and significant accomplishments happen. Don't settle for small projects. Aspire to greater achievements. From now on, focus on the significant accomplishments you want to achieve. Additionally, successful people have tremendous willpower. If you truly want to achieve something, you need 3 things: to work for it, to make an effort, and to have the determination to not abandon your goal. Successful people know this, and therefore, never doubt or fail to complete the necessary tasks to reach what they want. When they want something, they pursue it, focus on their goals, and dedicate all their efforts to achieving them without making excuses. Finally, successful people also have patience. If you want to be successful in life, one very important thing you need to understand is that patience is essential to achieving your goals. You will face failures and disappointments. Sometimes, achieving success is not just a matter of winning. On some occasions, it is necessary to experience defeats to reach fulfillment. That's why successful people are patient. They understand that obstacles can arise and slightly delay their journey. However, instead of seeing this as something negative, they adapt and learn from these experiences. They wait until they are ready again and move forward without fear. Successful people have a winning mindset. Successful individuals do not leave room for negativity or doubts in their minds. They choose to maintain a positive attitude. Optimism is the best approach you can adopt to ensure a promising future. You must believe that you can achieve everything you set your mind to, that tomorrow will be a great day, and that you are on the right path to realizing your dreams. Successful people listen to others. Many people do not stop talking during conversations, not to interact with others, but to feed their ego. On the other hand, those who achieve success listen more than they speak, knowing that it is an excellent opportunity to learn new things and see different aspects from perspectives other than their own. Successful individuals take risks. There are 2 phrases I really like to mention about this subject: nothing ventured, nothing gained, and the greatest triumphs in life come from the most significant risks. Start to realize that by avoiding risks, you are also avoiding seizing the opportunities that come your way. Successful people learn from their mistakes. Perhaps one of the most essential habits of successful people is knowing how to learn from the mistakes they make. This is the main difference between those who fail and those who succeed. If you make a mistake and do not learn from it, you are more likely to repeat it in the future. Successful individuals do not make excuses. At this point, you should understand that when successful people want to achieve something, They focus on finding solutions rather than seeking justifications for the obstacles they face. They pursue this without giving justifications. They simply lack the financial resources to achieve what they want, don't have the time, don't feel capable, etc. They claim it's easier to stay in a corner lamenting and questioning why life treats them this way. However, by doing this, you'll only stay in the same place and never progress. Stop making excuses and start taking action to achieve your goals. Habit number 12 is that successful individuals know how to say no. Winners have learned to reject things that come their way, especially when they don't contribute to their personal growth. No matter how uncomfortable it may be, saying no is crucial. Remember that discomfort may cause unease but can also lead to great achievements. Uber is an example of a company that had a significant impact on the taxi industry. Its founder faced a complicated economic situation and unsatisfactory traditional taxi service. Now his discomfort has generated billions of dollars. In our personal lives, discomfort is essential for the development of our identity, friendships, and routines. If we want to change, we must analyze our lives and see how we can become better people each day. Ask yourself which success habits you are adopting and which you are avoiding. Now, about imagination. Imagine being able to wake up whenever you want, go to any restaurant without worrying about the menu cost, or even provide your family with the life they truly deserve. All of this becomes possible when you venture into entrepreneurship. On this channel, we encourage entrepreneurship, firmly believing that it is the best path for your personal and professional achievements. The new business model has made countless millionaires in recent years, offering an excellent opportunity for those who wish to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. We'll wrap up here. God bless you, and see you next time.